So iPhone 15 action button is one of the most popular new features. Actually, it's going viral. This is very small change, but yeah, it has huge impact. So it's available on new iPhone 15, and this is like this mute button. I actually use it quite a lot just to mute my phone. It's usually on mute on my phone, and now you can customize it to be not just mute, but any functionality you like. So yeah, in the iPhone settings app, you can just search for action button. Just go to your settings app like here and then just find action button, and then you can just adjust it for anything you want. You can turn flashlight, launch the camera, toggle do not disturb, but the real power is when you pair it with Apple's shortcuts app. So you need to have shortcut app installed as well, and then you can just pair it up with any app, any software. Basically, it's like a very super cool thing, and then you can just access your favorite features in the app instantly, almost very quick. So yeah, you can program the action button to display a menu of other shortcuts that you can run from a tap on the screen. You can make it to do different things depending on your location. So yeah, kind of things like, yeah, you see here where you see like new to do, new calendar event, and then you can just create some list like that. And actually, one of the cool thing is that you can enable ChatGPT with this app. If you have ChatGPT app installed, you don't even need a premium plus subscription. You can just tap the button and then you open instantly ChatGPT. And then, then you can just, especially with new voice feature, you can instantly talk to ChatGPT. And it's a much more advanced experience than Siri. So finally, this works kind of close what Siri suggested to do. What was lacking in Siri, when you talk to Siri, it kind of doesn't understand you. But now if you use it with ChatGPT, that's where it starts to work. So yeah, try it out.